Hi everyone, welcome to Sandy La Pastelera. Today we're going to talk about kombucha. What is kombucha? Kombucha is a fermented tea, slightly effervescent and slightly alcoholic, and is made with sugar, tea and SCOBY. What is SCOBY? SCOBY is a symbiotic culture made with bacteria and yeast, and that helps to ferment the tea. It's also known as mushroom or mother. I've been making kombucha at home since April this year, and I like to make kombucha with different teas, black tea, green tea, and I like to add different other teas. So this one is a black tea kombucha that later we are going to add some ginger, lemon zest and rosemary flowers. This one is a green tea with guayusa. Guayusa is a tea that comes from Ecuador, and if you don't know what it is, please check my other video where you can learn about guayusa. This one is a green tea with buchu, and buchu is a famous plant that comes from the Western Cape of South Africa. How to prepare a new batch of kombucha? First, we need 1.5 liters of water, add it to the kettle and boil it. We need 4 tea bags of green tea or any tea that you like. We are going to boil the water. We are going to add half a cup of brown sugar into the container with the tea bags. Add 3 teaspoons of buchu. After the water has boiled, add it to the container and we are going to let it cool down to room temperature. I made 2 different batches of tea yesterday, so they are ready to make new kombucha. First, we are going to start with the black tea kombucha. We remove the cloth, we remove the SCOBY, we weigh 1 cup of all kombucha. We sift the kombucha and pour it into new containers. For this black tea kombucha, we are going to use a lemon, ginger and rosemary flowers. We are going to slice the lemon and add the slices of lemon into the containers, grate some ginger and add some rosemary flowers, mix it and close it, refrigerate for 1 day, and the next day sieve it and add it into a new container. To make the new kombucha, first wash the glass jar and dry it. Add the SCOBY, add the cup of old kombucha, add the new tea that is at room temperature, mix it and cover with a cloth, and tighten an elastic band around it. Don't forget to label your kombucha containers. It's very important to remember the day that you made your kombucha. I like to ferment my kombucha for 7 days at room temperature, but you can leave it for longer if you like a strong flavor of fermented kombucha. Let's go with the next kombucha. Green tea and guayusa kombucha. We are going to repeat the process. First, take the SCOBY, weigh 1 cup of kombucha, sieve the kombucha into new containers, better if you use glass containers, close it and refrigerate. For the new batch of kombucha, wash and dry the glass jar, add the SCOBY, add 1 cup of old kombucha, add the new tea, and tighten an elastic band around it. Don't forget again to label your kombucha. For the last kombucha is a green tea and buchu kombucha. You take the SCOBY, you can see how the baby SCOBY forms on top. Then weigh 1 cup of old kombucha, sieve the kombucha into new containers and close it, put it in the fridge. To make the new batch of green tea and buchu kombucha, we remove the tea bags, we add the SCOBY, we add the old kombucha and sieve the new tea that is at room temperature. After I finish all the process of all the different batches of kombucha, I leave them at room temperature for 7 days. On the 7th day, I check the kombucha to see if it needs a little bit longer or if it's ready. Now let's enjoy our kombucha. The first one is the black tea with ginger, lemon and rosemary flowers. The second is the green tea with buchu, and the third one is the green tea with guayusa. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please put like and comment below. Let me know how you make your own kombucha or if you like to use different teas. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye!